I think it's a catalyst to the upside. Clearly, I mean, the amount of Bitcoin that the miners receive in a reward that they might sell will be cut in half. So that's a good thing. But I would say that any rational person that studied Bitcoin for 10 hours knows that there will never be more than 21 million Bitcoin. And so you know there's less than that because some millions of Bitcoin have been lost and they'll never be spent. And so you're buying Bitcoin because you know it's capped. And you know that gold and silver and oil and soybeans and paper currency and land and apartments are not capped. Everything else on Earth is going to keep increasing in supply forever. Bitcoin is not. So once you figure that out, then the only question is there anything better? And you sift through the other 20,000 cryptos. And if they're not better and they're not better, then this is the one. Now, every intelligent person with money has put their money on Bitcoin. So what are you going to bet on? You're going to bet on the networks that were invested in by people without money that aren't intelligent, right? So Bitcoin is the winner because the smart money has chosen it. There are a lot of other catalysts, right? Every time there's hyperinflation in a place like Argentina, it's a catalyst. Every time a bank fails, it's a catalyst. Every time someone builds an application that's cool on Bitcoin, right? Like all the ordinals and inscriptions and whatever, they're driving up transaction fees, it's catalyst. Every time a company like Microstrategy buys another $100 million worth of Bitcoin, it's catalyst. Every time a regulator actually clarifies the fact that Bitcoin is a commodity, an asset without an issuer, and it's special, that's catalyst. So lots of catalysts, they're all going to continue. The result will be Bitcoin will chop its way up with volatility forever.